precious people, welcome to Heart Joy Crochet. My name is Jill and today we'll be learning how to crochet this beautiful heart. It involves a chain of 5, double and triple crochets, a slip stitch and weaving in ends. If you're not sure about any of these, just follow along with me or go to the tutorials I have linked in the description. Today you'll need some yarn, crochet hook, some scissors and a tapestry needle. So first we're going to do a slip knot. And we're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you can see we've got 5 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to slip stitch into the first chain. Yarn over, pull through. And if you see here, you can see there's a hole right here in the middle. That's where we're going to be working into. So just finish your slip stitch like that. Keep your thumb in that hole because that's where we're going to be working into. So now we're going to chain 2. 1, 2. And we're going to be working 3 triple crochets into this middle hole. So the triple crochet is yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the hole. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through once. Yarn over, pull through twice. Yarn over, pull through a third time for your triple crochet. And do that 2 more times. So yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the hole. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over once, twice, 3 times. That's number 2. Yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the middle. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through once, pull through twice, pull through 3 times. So that's your 3 triple crochet. Now we're going to do 3 double crochets. So that's yarning over once, into the hole, pull through, yarn over, pull through once, yarn over, pull through twice. 2 more of those. Yarn over, into the hole, pull through, once, twice. It's number 2. Yarn over, into the hole, yarn over, pull through. Pull through once, pull through twice. That's your 3 double crochets. So now we're going to chain 1. We're going to do 1 triple crochet. Yarn over twice, into the hole, pull through once, pull through twice, pull through 3 times. And that's the triple crochet. So that triple crochet there we just did is pretty much the pointy bit of the heart at the bottom. So now we're going to work up the other side of the heart. So we're going to chain 2. Oh, sorry, chain 1, not chain 2. So just chain 1 there. And we're going to do 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3. And we're going to do another 3 triple crochets. Yarn over twice. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice. Just get that out of the way. It's our tail end from before. 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to chain 2. 1, 2. Now we're going to slip stitch into the ring in the middle. So insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through, and then pull this loop through this loop. That's a slip stitch. And we're going to chain 1. Okay, so now we're going to cut our yarn. Leave a good length so we can work it in, weave it in, I should say. Now, pull that yarn through here, just like that. Pull it a little bit tight. So you can see that we've still got this hole in the middle. So the shorter end we have here, we're going to pull it and close that hole in the middle. Okay, pull them both quite snug. There you go, there you have your heart. So now we're going to weave in the ends. I'm just going to grab my tapestry needle. And again, if you're not sure how to weave in ends, I have tutorials on all these things in the description. So when you're weaving in the end, the tail end from the chain, you can keep pulling it tighter if you're not happy with the amount of hole that's in the middle, and you can just completely get rid of it. Okay, weave in the other end. So here you are, guys, with your beautiful heart that you just made. This is one of the first things I ever made when I was a beginning crocheter, and I was so happy with myself. I was like, I can't believe that I just made that. And it actually looks like something. It was so great. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I really appreciate it. If you liked this tutorial, would you give it a big thumbs up? And I'm really, really interested to see in the comments how you went. Okay, see you next time. Thank you very much, and bye for now.